How to add someone to WhatsApp group chat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on the group chat where you want to add someone. After that, click at the top where the group name is. After that, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Simply scroll down. You will find add members. Adding member is only possible if you're the admin of the group. You can add members if you are only the member. And the group setting is everybody can add member. So simply click on add members to check if you can add. Simply click on add member and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. All your contacts will pop up. Simply select the one you prefer or one you want to add. If not, click on search button on top right. And then you can search name and then add the person. After you have added, click on tick mark at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then the person will be added in this way. As you can see, the person has been added. This is how to add someone to WhatsApp group chat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.